Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Tuition channel. Today we are discussing about maths question paper. Still who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and support me. Let's move on to question paper. First, write missing number. First question is 10 dash 30 dash dash dash. Here 10 is given and after that dash and 30. This is skip counting of 10. Child find the number and have to write 10 after 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then next question is 2. 2 dash dash 5. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next 5, 10. After this is skip counting of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Next 101 dash dash 104. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Then 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126. Next, additional. First 6 plus 3 equals 6 is there and 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 2. 3 after 4, 5. Next 5 plus 2. 5 after 6, 7. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 2 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 1. 8 after 9. Next question. Circle the longest pencil. Which is the longest pencil? Child have to circle that pencil. This is the longest pencil. Then tick the biggest balloon. Child have to tick the biggest balloon. This is the biggest balloon. Next, count and write. Some picture is given. Child have to count the picture and write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 leaf. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write ordinal number. Child have to write ordinal number. First is second. S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. Next, fifth. 5. Ordinal number is fifth. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. 8. 8 ordinal number is eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H. Eighth. Next 10. Ordinal number is T-E-N-T-H, tenth. Next 3, ordinal number third, T-H-I-R-D, third. Next 6, S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Next, use greater than, smaller than or equals. 28-30, which symbol we have to use here? 28 smaller than 30. 60-17, 60 is greater than 17. 18-81, 18 is less than 81. 65-66, 65 is less than 66. 72-72, 72 equals 72. Next 8-81, 8 is less than 81. Next, write backward number 30 to 1. Child have to write 30 to 1 backward number, like 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching.